Hello guys, welcome to Blue Gum Auto Garage. Today we have a Harrier 240 which came with a very funny noise coming out from in between the engine and the gearbox. We found the flywheel was worn out, it had a crack, so we had to replace the flywheel. We decided to remove the engine since it was the easiest work to do on this kind of a vehicle. There we were just fixing back everything together. We have our throttle body there ready to be fixed back. That's the exhaust manifold going back to its place, and then those are the ball joints. We are tightening them, ready to put the tire and ready to go for a road test. And guys, don't always forget to do your gearbox services. So we decided on this vehicle we're going to put a new ATF type T4. We are fixing back the tire, ready to go for a road test. Na kama kawa, fundi ni mjamo. Follow us on all our social media platforms, Blue Gum Auto Garage.